The origin of life. A Scientific American article by John Horgan on creating life in a test tube states that this goal seems more distant than ever. The author quotes Harold P. Klein of Santa Clara University, chairman of a National Academy of Sciences committee that recently reviewed origin of life research. The simplest bacterium is so complicated from the point of a chemist that it is almost impossible to imagine, just to imagine how it happened, let alone prove how it happened. So they spent billions of dollars. And I'm not against scientists. We do some pretty good scientific work around here. I know some scientists firsthand, lecture periodically at NASA among their scientists and engineers. And I'm not against science, but I'm for real science, not suppositional speculation. In the same article, the author points out that the most sophisticated attempt at explaining life origins by naturalistic development has a hitch. You've got to get this. It has a hitch. DNA cannot do its work. The deoxyribonucleic acid cannot do its work, including forming more DNA, without the help of catalytic proteins or enzymes. In short, proteins cannot form without DNA, but DNA can't form without the proteins. Oops. There's no way, then, to get that by naturalistic means. It has to be placed together. To be scientific, the procedure must be observable, remember, statistical, and repeatable. Evolution's attempt at explaining the origin of life fails on all three counts. However, creation's explanation is scientific to the full degree. Watch. Actually, Scripture surrounds the biogenesis. What's biogenesis? Beginning of life. Yeah, Genesis, beginning, life, bio. Life, beginning. Surrounds the biogenesis topic with a mention of all the primary scientific disciplines. God that made the world. This is Acts 17. God that made the world, that's the cosmos, the universe, that's cosmology. And all things therein, seeing that He's Lord of heaven, that's astronomy, and earth, that's geology. Dwelleth not in temples made with hands, seeing He giveth to all life, that's biogenesis, and breath, that's physiology. It's not enough to have life, you've got to have a system to keep it going. You have to be able to breathe. That's physiology. And all things, that's husbandry, the supporting cast. It's not enough to have life, you've got to eat a few carrots. Keep going. And if made of one blood, all nations of men, that's anthropology. Wow, that's a pretty scientific statement. It deals with cosmology, astronomy, geology, biogenesis, physiology, husbandry, and anthropology. And, okay. So that is the passage. He giveth to all life. Life has to be imbued. You can't make it from the dirt. It has to be imbued. The leading researchers of abiogenesis and Genesis are now publishing the fact that it's not the chemistry that makes life. Life is imposed upon the chemistry. Oh. So there has to be something beyond dirt and chemistry and physics. There has to be someone capable of imposing life. Stay with me.